being a pet care assistant, writing business plan, and drop servicing. These are 3 out of the 11 side hustles I'll be sharing with you in today's video that is guaranteed to make you 10,000 naira per day if you put in the work. My name is Michael Rumaka, and right here on my YouTube channel I make videos around business, personal finance, and tech. And if this interests you, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and smash the like button. And without much talk, let's dive right into today's video. Let's go. The first stuff we're talking about is selling African stock photos. Most entrepreneurs like me who actually work with videos or who make graphic design find it difficult to get African stock photos on the internet. So one thing you can actually do is if you have a very good camera, you can take pictures of Africans maybe in the marketplace or in a corporate setting and upload it like on platforms like iStock, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and get to gain royalties and in dollars. Let me say you're making $100 to $200 as a Nigerian by the side. And when you convert it to naira, you see it's actually a good amount of money. And probably if you can be able to do this consistently and become popular on platforms like this, you can actually earn a living, doing this particular side also. Affiliate marketing basically has to do with promoting people's products for the purpose of earning commission. I'm going to give you 2 examples. The first example is this. Let me say you have someone who sells a course probably on how to make money online, and then he's selling this particular course for 25,000 naira, and you personally, you don't have anything, the product you're selling on the internet. One thing you can do is to become an affiliate for this person selling a course of 25,000 naira. Probably the person's commission for each sale you're going to help him make is, let me say, 50%. So if you go ahead and promoting this person's 25,000 naira course on how to make money online and you make a sale, you just divide that 25,000 naira by 2, and then what you get is going to be the commission you make. So why do you need to get started in affiliate marketing? I'm going to give you examples of 2 Nigerians who are less than 25 years of age. Temilola Adeoye, he's a final year student, and Chigozie Emmanuel, who is actually a school dropout. These are young Nigerians making 8 figures doing affiliate marketing right here in Nigeria. By the way, guys, I'm going to be traveling to Lagos to have an exclusive interview with Chigozie Emmanuel on his journey. And if you love to see this happen, leave a comment, make this happen in the comment section, and by the grace of God, okay, yes, they're going to make it happen. So what are the things you need to get started in affiliate marketing? You need a smartphone and an internet connection, and you need to sign up on platforms like Expertinaire or on Jumia, or you can actually leverage on the affiliate marketing which Itaba School has. These are actually trusted brands in Nigeria that are offering affiliate marketing for their products or for the courses or digital products that they have, and you can actually make good money doing affiliate marketing from Nigeria. The strategies you can use to make money in affiliate marketing is 1, posting in Facebook groups, and then the second one is posting in Quora. So these are places where people go to ask questions on different things. So you can actually be posting in these 2 different platforms and get to generate traffic to your offer. Then the third strategy is actually running Facebook adverts, Google adverts, or YouTube ads. You can actually use this, if you're spending money in pushing an article you wrote about, probably about Daba School, and ranking it #1 with your paid ad, you can get in some leads and actually have people convert, and you make money doing affiliate marketing. So these are 3 strategies you can use for your affiliate marketing business. Idea number 3 is selling or flipping cars. Don't worry, I'm going to share with you a strategy. So one thing you can do is to go to Google, go to Google right now, leverage on the auto suggest feature, just type in Toyota, and you see that Google is basically going to automatically fill in that auto suggest for you, and you're going to basically see cars that Nigerians are searching for on Google using the auto suggest feature. So what you can actually do is to go offline and look for someone who is selling that particular kind of car or the type of Toyota which Google is auto suggesting for you. When you find people that are selling these cars in your locality, you can take pictures of it. Let me say the person is selling it for maybe 300k or 1 point something million. You can add your own markup price of probably an extra 100k or an extra 200k. Then you go to platforms like Gigi to post about that particular car which you found offline, or you can post in different Facebook groups, and then you get to promote it using paid ads if you want, or you can just post it on this platform, and then automatically when people search for it on Google, you see that Gigi is going to rank that particular post which you made on their platform, and you get to start generating leads for that particular car. So when people reach out to you, you can take them to where you took pictures of the car and get to close the sale and actually make good money from this particular side also. By the way, guys, I'm looking at testing different sides also, like live testing the site also and see if I can make money from it. So if you would love to see me test a particular site also live and see real time and see if we can make money from starting from 0 to I don't know how many figures, leave a comment telling me test side hustle, and if I see much comments, and I'm going to test a side hustle from one of these side hustles I'm talking about in this video. Side hustle number 4 is content creation on YouTube. So there are some side hustles that when you start, at the end of the day, they compound and they get to be your full-time, career or full-time job. Making YouTube videos is one of those side hustles that can turn out to be a full-time thing. That it can actually pay your bills and feed your family for a very long period of time. Personally, I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I actually school. I'm a student, and I still combine it with making YouTube videos while I'm also doing other businesses or other endeavors. So making YouTube videos is a side hustle that can turn out to be a full-time thing for you if you're a student or if you're someone that is working in any place at all in the world. I'll give you examples of Wodemaya, Isayo Fosudo, and Tayo Aina. These are guys who started YouTube as a side hustle, and right now these guys are actually milking it or making good money making YouTube videos. So for you to start your YouTube channel or start creating content on YouTube, you need basic equipment like a tripod, a lapel mic, which you can see right here, and then a camera, or you can use your smartphone. Personally, I started with my smartphone. Most of these guys I called in this video started with their smartphone, so nothing should stop you from starting your YouTube content creation side hustle right now after watching this video. Offering pet care services. The pet care industry is worth billions of USD. Well, Nigeria is actually an emerging market in the pet care industry, and I recently saw a post by Akinadabi saying that someone who earns 500,000 plus, just doing pet care service, which is helping someone to walk their cat early in the morning, which is amazing and mind-blowing for someone based right here in Nigeria. So this can actually be a side hustle that you can start, and it can turn out to be a full-time thing. Let me say you have like 4 different people in a particular estate that you're servicing, that you're offering pet care service to, and you're charging them on your current monthly basis. This can actually be a good money for you, and you can actually quit your job just to be working people's dogs or people's cats. Coming off at number 6 is selling or flipping phones. So just like the flipping of car business, you also have the flipping of phone business in Nigeria. So what you can actually do is to buy a already used phone and decide to flip it, or you can still go to an offline phone outlet and look for phones that are very, very popular. So how do you find phones which are popular in Nigeria? You can go to Google right now and type cost of Techno. Now, by the way, Techno, Samsung, and Infinix are some of the most popular phones brands we have in Nigeria back in 2021 according to Start Counter. So just go to Google, type cost of Samsung Galaxy. You just see the Google auto-complete it for you. So most of those auto-completes are the prices of those phones which many Nigerians are searching for on the internet. So you just go to a phone outlet and get pictures of that phone, increase the markup. If you are selling the phone for 100k, you can increase the markup by 120k, and also go to platforms like Gigi or make use of the Facebook Marketplace to promote this particular phone and actually earn money doing this particular side hustle. This is a side hustle that can make you good money if you take action after watching this video. Next up is job servicing. This is basically leveraging on other people's skills in order to make money for yourself. This sounds a little bit bad, but it's not a bad side hustle. So if you don't have a skill, you can still make money without having the skill. You just need to know how to sell. Now, you can leverage on other people's skill. Let me say you have someone who designs websites and the person charges 100,000 naira to design a website. Now, you reach an agreement with that person and tell that person, I'm going to be bringing in clients for you, but you need to give me a discount for bringing in this client for you. So the person might decide to be charging you 80,000 naira for each client you bring for him that wants to get his website done. So what you can now do is look for people on the internet who need a website for their business. There are lots of Nigerians who need a website for their business. So you charge them maybe 150k or 200,000 naira to design a website for them, and then they pay you, and then you pay the other person who charges 80k to help that one who paid you 200k to design a website for him. So this is what we call drop servicing. I've actually done this side also in the past, and I made good money doing this side also, and I still do it once in a while currently. But it's a very nice side also for people who don't really have a skill. You just need to know how to sell and close deals. Selling information products. One way or the other, we all have a particular knowledge that other people don't have, and we can actually make money selling. The difference between someone who makes money selling an information product and someone who does not make money selling an information product is packaging. Luckily, Seller.co has come to our rescue. You can now create an online course in Nigeria and upload it on a platform like Seller.co for almost free of charge and actually sell this packaged information product, and Seller.co charges you a particular commission for each sale that you make selling your information product. Our number 9 side hustle is Amazon Kindle publishing.
You knew what you were doing when you were writing the book, but publishing it? That's not your thing.
So you can actually publish books on Amazon and make good money publishing these books. And the good thing is that you're not earning in naira, you're earning in dollars. Now, as easy as it sounds, it's not actually easy to do. You need to be able to look for outdated books if you cannot write one on your own, or you can actually make use of PLR books and actually repurpose this book and actually publish them on Amazon. But one unique thing you need to do is you need to look for niches that are evergreen, like the health niche. You need to look for how to make money online niche, the affiliate marketing niche, or probably the crypto niche, which is just blowing up at the moment, and create books on these particular niches and actually publish it and make good money doing it. You can actually be in your house one day and just say, "Ping," you have made a sale from your book, and sales keep on dropping once in a while as long as you are publishing books in a very evergreen niche. So this is not an easy side hustle. You need to put in the work to actually make money from this side hustle, but this is something that is actually worth doing. Dropshipping of fashion related products like sneakers, wigs, or clothes. I don't know if you've ever seen on your WhatsApp where you see someone promoting sneakers, or they just post on their status is sneakers or probably wigs or clothes. Most of these guys do not have these products in stock. They just reach an agreement with someone who has a boutique and is selling this product. And let me say the person that has the boutique is selling this product for 5,000 naira. Them who is promoting it on their WhatsApp status would add an extra 5,000 naira markup, selling that particular sneakers for 10,000 naira. And once they make a sale, or once someone orders these sneakers from them, they place the order directly to the owner of these particular sneakers, and the person ships it to the person who placed the order. So what they're just doing is drop shipping, and they are actually making good money doing this particular business. It can be a side hustle if you're a student. Usually I recommend students to do this side hustle because it's more of students who actually make money from this side hustle, because they have the time to be promoting every time. So this is a wonderful side hustle and I recommend it 100%. The final side hustle we're talking about is business plan writing side hustle. Personally, I have an agency called nigerceo.com where we help entrepreneurs write business plan, design website and all that stuff. So writing business plan can actually be a good side hustle. I make money writing business plan and actually selling business plan on the internet. There are lots of people, let me tell you now, that want to set up a business in Nigeria and they need a business plan, and you can actually sell one business plan for 10,000 to 15,000 naira depending on the particular business. So this is actually a wonderful side hustle and I recommend it. All you have to do for you to learn how to write a business plan is make use of YouTube, search how to write a business plan, and you see different videos teaching you how to come up with a comprehensive business plan for people who want to get loan and all that stuff. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. I have another video talking about the 13 business ideas for students, and I believe you'll find that particular video helpful. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and also hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. And with that being said, guys, see you on the next one. They will know.